everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel today. I'm going to do a quick giveaway. It's a pair of shoes that have been gifted by VIVAIA. First of all, let me just clear before I start the video. This giveaway and this video is not an ad, because I got this pair of shoes from the team from VIVAIA, that this is for me purely attending that grand opening event. So I've done that and now the shoes is mine. So therefore, how I wanted to do with these shoes is my own wish. And I either want to keep this but now I decided I want to give away this pair of beautiful shoes to one of my lucky audience. So this is something that I want to do. This is not associated with the brand VIVAIA, and also this is not associated with YouTube. I've been invited to the grand opening of the VIVAIA's first UK store in the Westfield shopping centre at Shepherd's Bush and White City location. And they have a lovely beautiful store opposite in Boots. And let's just do a quick unboxing first. So basically the box and the packaging is so beautiful with recyclable material. This pair of Audrey Loafers, and is the special edition for them to launch the UK store. They knew that there are so many dog lovers in the UK, so this design purely just for the UK grand opening. So you can see this is the usual recyclable knitted material, and with the ergonomic insole and the padding at the heel, and this shoes is waterproof, and the shoes are very bendable, 1 centimeter heel, and just is so cute. If a dog lover, this is the perfect pair of shoes for you to wear when you get your dogs. This pair is EU 39 in size and is a UK 5.5. So you can see the details on the screen for you here. This giveaway is only open to my audience in the UK, and if you are a size 39 and the UK equivalent 5.5, and please enter in order for you to win this pair of beautiful Audrey Loafers from VIVAIA. From my previous giveaway, and I was being almost conned by this group of people that they try to con me, try to disguise who they are. Thanks to God that God sent this lovely lady to help me out to spot these scammers, and therefore I haven't been conned, and all the prizes went to the right people. And so I was forever grateful to this lovely lady who helped me from being conned by these con artists. And I'm welcoming the genuine, honest followers that appreciate my work, that you enter this giveaway. And I don't like to see those people just enter the giveaway and then disappeared forever and mess up my account, and it's just not very nice for you to do that. And so con artists, please back off, okay? You're not welcomed on my channel. I do not need your follow, and I do not need your leaving messages under my videos, because your intentions are evil, you're calculated, and you try to scam people for something, for a financial gain or for a gain of a product, okay? So please back off, then leave me alone. And I just really love the brand, and I would like you to love the brand as well, because the shoes are just genuinely so comfortable. And if you're a teacher, if you're a nurse, if you're required to standing on your feet like you're in the retail industry, the shoes are just like made for you, because with the support keep your feet comfortable, so you won't be like feeling, oh my god, your feet is falling apart at the end of the day. And so I really want you to and testing their shoes, because I truly love them. They're just so comfortable, and the design is pretty on point too, and just like so sleek. And it's as well, for example, in the UK now, you know, the time is the autumn season, and we'll see a lot of rainfall and during the season and in the winter as well. So if you have these shoes, if you go out and then you always ended up with like a dry feet and like being soaked when you're about. So it's really made for the UK weather, and that's why I want you to try it. I'll leave the store details, your website, in the description box. And so to enter, please make sure that your profile on YouTube is public, that you follow me and you leave a comment below this video and telling me that you are in the UK, and you make sure that you have to be genuinely in the UK, because I have to post this to you. So if you give me a PO box, it's not going to be accepted. I collect your address and your name and your email. This is purely for the shoes to be sent to you, and for postal reasons. It's not that I would keep your details to be used for other things. So this is comply with the GDPR requirements. The giveaway is open till end of next Sunday, 7 p.m. UK time. And so please make sure that you enter before then, otherwise your entry will be invalid. I'll post a community post to announce the winner, and then I'll ship your shoes in the following week to your UK address. So that's all the logistics, and I hope you are the lucky winner of this pair of VIVAIA Audrey dog embroidered loafers. And so that's it. I wish you good luck, and please make sure that you enter before 7 p.m. Sunday. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and also switch on the little bell button so you won't miss any of my new videos on fashion related topics. And until my next video, I'll see you then. Bye for now.